So let's go ahead. If you're fat, this is perfect for you. If you're skinny, this is perfect for you. So I just chopped up everything into small pieces. And we're going to do onion.
It already has onion roasted in
We're going to roast it.
Why don't you not know anything that's in here? I thought you chopped it
yourself. Because voiceover, and voiceover. We just rinsed out a little bit of oil, which is olive oil, all right? Now we're also going to put, what kind of pepper we're going to put?
Garlic powder?
Oh, we're going to put garlic powder too, all right? So that's what we're doing. In the oven for 425 right now. Preheat it before the actual vegetables go in there. We're going to do catfish, all right? So this is better with tilapia, but right now we're doing olive oil. We're spreading the oil around. And when we spread it, you just make sure it's evened out everywhere. We put paper foil underneath because it sticks to the actual plate itself. And you don't want the fish. Fish is very sticky and very slimy, so it'll stick to a lot of things. Okay.
This could go at the top.
We're doing it for 30 minutes, a timer. Paprika for spicier.
This one will be a little bit more spicy.
Put cayenne. They have the seasoning, the fish seasoning. That has a lot of salt, so be careful not to throw too much. So we just throw on this one. All right, fish seasoning. Now make sure you rub everything down. Oil, garlic.
And then same thing, rub it in.
Recipe that says brown butter, but we're just doing regular butter. And you're supposed to melt it, but we don't melt the butter because we keep using it. We keep adding butter during like the times we're cooking. So we put a couple pieces in here and there and spread them out. We're going to do that for 375 degrees, so about for 20 minutes. All right, after 20 minutes of cooking, look at the charbroil on around it because of the butter. We just tasted it. It tastes pretty good. It's ready to eat. Now we're waiting for our vegetables and need a little bit more, couple minutes more, and we should be good. Here's the final results. Because we're Latinos, we're Mexicanos, we like beans. Our vegetables, I like broccoli, so I throw in more broccoli than fish. This is catfish, and this is the final result. So very simple plate that you can do, all baked, healthier than fried. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.